Future weapons of Ukraine. F-16V Viper, national origin, United States, role, multi-role combat aircraft, status, unknown. JF-17 Thunder Block 3, national origin, Pakistan and China, role, multi-role combat aircraft, status, unknown. AH-64 Apache, national origin, United States, role, attack helicopter, expected, in service 2022. Antonov AN-188, national origin, Turkey and Ukraine, role, transport aircraft, expected, in service 2022. Bliskovka cruise missile, place of origin, Ukraine, type, anti-ship cruise missile, expected, in service 2025. Korshun, cruise missile, place of origin, Ukraine, type, ground-launched cruise missile, expected, in service 2023. R-360 Neptune, place of origin, Ukraine, type, anti-ship cruise missile, expected, in service 2021. Grom-2 or Hrim-2, place of origin, Saudi Arabia and Ukraine, type, tactical ballistic missile, expected, in service 2022. 9M221F Typhoon 1, place of origin, Ukraine, type, multiple rocket launcher, expected, in service 2021. Volodymyr Veliky class, place of origin, Russia, type, corvette, expected, in service 2022 to 2028. Oliver Hazard Perry class, place of origin, United States, type, guided missile frigate, expected, in service 2022. Centaur class, place of origin, Ukraine, type, fast assault craft, expected, in service 2021. Mark 6 patrol boat, place of origin, United States, type, patrol boat, expected, in service 2023. 90K6E radar, place of origin, Ukraine, type, mobile 3D surveillance radar, expected, in service 2022. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.